Okay, let me see if I can do some problem with bar model. So Nicholas weighs 2/5 as much as his father. Nicholas weighs 60 pounds. How much does his father weigh? So 2/5, we draw a bar model with 5 pieces. 2/5. No, one piece is good. Take this one away. Combine combine all these things together. Shrink a little bit. Move to the center. So 2/5 as much as his father. So we put the known as green color. And 2/5 is Nicholas. Nicholas, this name seems a boy's name, so we use blue color. And this is 60 pounds. And how much does his father weigh? So his father's weight will be the complete. So we put red color. This is 60 pounds, and each block will be 30 pounds. So the father has 5 parts of it. So 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 150 pounds. I think this, I just didn't add a name in it because it's too complicated. Okay, now this one. Peter. Okay, we have enough question left over. Peter, the painter. Peter can paint 5/6 of a room in 90 minutes. How many minutes will it take Peter to paint the entire room? So 5/6, so we need to make 6 blocks. Let's first copy this one so we do not need to do too many. We need to select only one that is sufficient. So here we have 6 pieces, putting right in the middle, and 5/6 in 90 minutes. So we need to select 5 of them. 5 of them. So the first one, let's do them all green. To begin with, all green, and 5 of them is, let's do it blue color, the secondary no. And how many minutes will it take? No, this should be green, and this should be red. Makes sense? We want to know how many minutes. And this 5/6 is 90 minutes. So each block will be how many? 15 minutes, right? No, a 5/6 is 9. Okay, 5/6 is 90 minutes. So this is 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, and altogether 18 times 6. 6 8 48,108, the answer will be 1:08 minutes. Let's see if this is my answer. Oh, this stopped again. Okay, 1:08. Yes, I did it right. Okay, this one. This we can close this window. 5/9 of a group of students are boys. There are 4 more boys than girls. How many students are there altogether? 5/9 are boys. Okay, 5/9. So we need to do 9 blocks. 9 blocks. No, we put it smaller. Okay, longer. So 5/9. Put here 5/9. Bring it smaller. This is becoming a little bit difficult to see. And our boys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are boys. And there are 5 more students than girls. So girls are these. This is 4 students. You see, this is 5 parts, and this is 4 parts. So 1 part is 4 students. So we have 4 students here. We make it 60 right in the middle. So this is 4 students. How many students we have? 4, 9 out of 9 times 4 is 36 students. Let's see, the answer is 36. Yes, I did right. I have done it many times actually. So how many students are there altogether? So we need to add them together. This one, Alice spent 3/4 of the money spent as Bob. If they spend a total of 56, how much did Bob spend? As much money, 4th of money. 3/4 as much money as Bob. As much money as Bob. Let me change. 3/4 as much money as Bob. They spend, if they spend a total of 56, how much did Bob spend? So Alice is 3/4 of Bob. So let's put Bob as 4. Let's put Bob as 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bob as 4, and Alice spent 3/4 of it. So 3. This is Alice. Alice is here, Alice, we use pink color, and Bob, we use blue color. How much money do they spend together? And if they spend altogether 56, each block will be 756, right? So $8, 888.24, 8888, 42.56. So altogether, then Bob spend 30. Each one is 8. $32. Question number. Answer my question. Dad puts orange, black, and white Halloween candies in a box. 1/4 is orange, 1/6 is black, and 21 are white. How many candies does Dad put in the box? So there is 1/4, there is 1/6. So we need to find the least common denominator. So we part it into 12 parts. Okay? So we begin with getting 12 parts. Go back to this question. Change into smaller part. Maybe I will put no. Okay, we change into, I messed it a little bit. No. Okay, I will not touch it anymore. So, so we part into 12 parts. This is 9 parts, and we need to add 3 more parts. So now we have 12 parts, and these are the candies that had, and 1/4 is orange, 1/4 is orange, so 3 of this block is orange, and 1/6 is black, so 2 block out of 12 is 1/6 black color, and 21 are white. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these are white. White, yes. The black should be a little bit strong. There's not so much Halloween feel, right? Black, orange, more orangey. Okay, black, orange, and white. So 7, this is 21 are in 7 blocks. So each block is 3. So how many candies? Each one is 3. The total is 12. So 36 candies in the box. Let me see the answer. The answer is 36. Okay. Benjamin, what did he do, Benjamin? Oh my goodness. Benjamin had a bag of money. 36 had a bag of money. He gave half of the money to his best friend, a quarter to his sister, eighth to his mother, and 16th of the money to his dad. He then had $2.5 left. How much money was in Benjamin's bag first? So Benjamin's bags, 2, 4, 8, 16. So we part into 16 parts. This is 12. We will need to copy this one, 12, and adding 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. So this is the whole money we have. Make it long and slender. This is the money we have. Okay, so give half to his best friend. So all these, this, to his best friend. His best friend goes green. Okay, and a quarter to his sister. 16. A quarter is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A quarter to his sister. An eighth to his mother. Mother, we use purple color. And 1/18 to his dad. Oh, poor dad. Oh, poor dad. And this is 2.5. How much money was in his bag? 2.5 times 16, which is 5 times 8, which is $40. Okay, so this question, the answer is $40, and we are right. That is it. It's not that easy, right? It's kind of fun. Okay, now I still have some of these. I want to transfer them into, no. I want to transfer them into my Google form, into my new document, Google slide, and make the page setup, 11 by 8.5. Now I set up my page. Why is it so small? That is a little bit more comfortable. So I will design my main slide. Edit master slide. Edit master, and I think I will use this one. And the font size not very much. I can do, let me choose 36 to start with, and this is about the size I want. Should be sufficient, and then I start to add. Okay, that is good. Now I will add new slide. Control 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。Okay, sufficient amount. 分数应用题分数应用题02 fraction word problem. Fractions word problems. This one is in the middle. Okay, this one should be much larger. 48. Okay, why this color is light? Not important. So the first problem. Let me design my distance. Let me design my master slide. This is my master slide, and the distance 1.5 to the left should be okay. Okay, add slide. Control D D D D D D D D D D D. Okay, this one. Okay, that looks so. 63 students joined the video club. 5 out of 9 students are boys. How many girls joined the club? I'm sorry I make it so many girls and boys things. It's just easy to do the coloring and everything. Okay, 9. So we totally have 9 boxes. Put it right in the middle. And 5 out of 9 are boys. 5, these are boys. How many girls joined the club? So totally 63, and the rest will be girls. And we 63 students, we part into 9 parts. Each part is 7. So the boys is 5 times 7, and the girls 4 times 7. So it's 28. And that is how we solve this problem. Maybe we can make it a little bit larger font. This should be sufficient with 40. Is that too much? Okay, we still keep on with 36. Make it a little bit looser. Okay, this should be good enough. I am good with this. Okay, that is this problem. The second, so we figure out how many girls. 28 girls. So the answer is 28. We are right. Kelly, how are you doing, Kelly? unnamed presentation. We will name it 分数应用题02. Okay. Kelly had $42. She spent 1/6 of her money on a book, 1/3 of her money on a pen. How much money did Kelly have left? So 6, 3, the common denominator will be 6. So we need 6 blocks. So 1/6 of her money on a book. 1/6 is 2 blocks on books. Books is green. 1/3 of her money on pens. We use blue. How much money did Kelly had left? So the total is $42. $42, we part it into 6 parts. And 2 parts for book, 3 parts for pens, 1 part for the leftover. 42 divided by 6 is 7. So this is 7. This is 7. Let's see our answer if we are correct. Correct. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, let's continue. Anna brought to class some cakes. She gave 7 cakes to her friend. Anna then had 4/5 of her cake left. How many cake had Anna brought at first? So 5 pieces, 4/5. So these are the cakes, and she gave 7 cake to her friend. This is the cake she gave, and now she had total 5 pieces, and she had 4 pieces left. How many did she bring? So 1 part is 7, 35 pieces, right? Good. Get going. Get away this line. 35, we are right. And this one, put it in. Danny spent 2/7 of his money on comic books. The books cost $6 altogether. How much money did Danny have left? So Danny has spent this much of money, 2/7. So I need to draw 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We draw 7 blocks and change into gray color to begin with, so that we are not confusing anybody. And copy one more. Copy one more, duplicate one more, little bit shrink it, and he spent 2/7 of his money on comic book, so totally 7, and this is the money he spent. 2/7 is green. Let's put it green. 2/7 on the books. And comic books cost $6 altogether. So 2 blocks is 6, 1 block is 3. How much money have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks, and each block is 3, so $15 left. Let's see. Are we $15? Yes. Lori, what did Lori do? Lori used 1/6 of her origami paper in the project. She had 25 origami paper left. How many origami paper did Lori have at the beginning? So we need to part 6 equal parts. This is 6. Put here 6. And put right in the middle. Right in the middle. We are in the middle. And change into gray color so we are not confusing anybody. 1 for origami. So this is origami, we put it green. And she had 25 left. So the leftover we put it in blue, and 25 of them is 5 block. Each block is 5, so altogether 6 blocks is 36 parts. Maybe we can use the word parts. And every time when people give you trouble, or when you have trouble, it's the time you improve yourself. Don't worry. Okay, Chrissy and Missy has an equal number of marshmallow. Chrissy ate 1/5 of her marshmallow. Missy ate 1/4 of her marshmallow. Who had more marshmallow left? This is too easy, right? Of course, this is smaller. Maybe we will do copy. 1 is 5 blocks. And they must be the same width. So here we have this is Chrissy ate 1/5, so 1/5 is eaten, is red, and Missy has 4 blocks. So Missy has 4 blocks, but the difference is that Missy's block is larger, right? He has 4 parts. He parted into 4 parts, and Missy ate 1/4 of it. The guilty, greedy eater, we put another color. How about it? Yes, this color is good, but it's only 1/4 is this color, right? So this is it. Who has more left? Chrissy has more left, right? The blue one is left over. So this is the leftover. Good. So Chrissy. Okay. Let me see. Missy, Chrissy. Yes, Chrissy has more left. Patty and Pat and Matt, Pat and Matt on the same racetrack. Pat run 5/6 of the distance in 1 minute. Matt run 6/7 of the distance in 1 minute. After 1 minute, who was closer to the finish line? So this is bigger, so this is closer. Matt. Okay. So this is 1. In 1 minute, 5/6. How do I express this? So first we put all in transparent color, and matte run 6 out of 7 of the distance in 1 minute. So she will be this, and add one more, Control D. Okay, 7s. But yes, because it is the same distance, and matte run 5 out of 6. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 6. This is matte. Use green. And this is the distance to the destination. To the destination. Voila. And the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of is faster. He runs this color. No, still green color. What is going on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green color. And what matte has run left is this color. So of course this is closer to the finishing line. So this is matte. Matte is closer to the finishing line. Matte, yes, we are right. Here is another one. It kind of a waste of time, but it helps me to see the problem so much better. Tara and Sarah have gardens that are exactly the same size. Sarah used 1/5 of her garden to plant tomato. Tara used 1/8 of her garden to plant tomato. Who has more garden space left? Of course she has. So exactly the same size of garden. So Sarah will be 1/5. So we draw 5th block. Five blocks. Put it smaller. Nice and cuddly. 1/5. Sarah. This is planted tomato. Tomato is red, right? Tomato. And no, we should use green because the loan we have an establishment of mathematical establishment. Tara use 1/8. So 1/8, which means this is 1/8. And they must be the same length. And Tara use 1/8. So shall we write Sarah and Tara? This is green. Planted something, and how much Sarah has left is pink. How much Tara has left is dark. So of course Tara has more left. So the result is Tara. Tara, yes. 2/5. 2/5 of the students in the band are girls. Why do I always have to do this? I start to feel bored of this. Okay, we draw a line 2/5. So we draw a line with 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is good. With 5 sections. With 5 sections right in the middle. 2/5 of are girls. So these 2 out of these 5 parts are girls, pink, and the rest are boys, which is blue, and the boys are 12. 3 parts makes 12, so each part is 4. How many students altogether? 4. 5 times 4 is 20. So the result is 20. Right? So the result is 20. Yes, we are right. Steve. Steve poured 2 gallons of water into his aquarium. 1/3 of the aquarium was filled. How many gallons of water does the aquarium hold altogether? So his aquarium is actually can hold 3 parts completely. I will just do the square easy. Three parts. Okay, 2 gallons is, we should use blue water, right? 2 gallons. So 2 gallons is 1/3. The capacity, 1 part is 2 gallons. 2 parts, 3 parts is 6 gallons. So it is 6 the result. Let's take a look. 6, yes, we are right. Now we are done with it. Let me see if I still have this kind of exercise. 03 02. Let's see. 整数应用题. Oh, we are done with it. Where is my fraction? 03. That is so strange. There is internet 咕咕来了。